Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Come on, like it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, Luke Reinert is back. So what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to install the rear wheel of your BMW R NineT Racer. Classic superbike, classic race bike. And you're going to learn here today. Let's do this.
It's showtime.
BMW forums recommends that we clean the threads on the bolts with like WD-40. So take something like kitchen paper, lie the bolts down, WD-40 over the threads. And like this, we adjust. Right. Thank you.
So I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take it all away. Yeah, I'ma light it up just like a cigarette smoke till it's in my head, take the pain away.
We'll be over in a moment. I'm not keen on using power tools, lines, tools on these aluminium hubs. BMW have recommended no tighter than 60 newton meters because the hubs crack. We're using a star shape and tightening up the bolts just to pull the wheel onto the hub evenly. And then I make sure that the bit is inserted into the bolt fully before I put pressure on. When you hear the torque wrench click, don't go any further because you're done. No. All bolts accounted for. Yay. Well, thanks for watching everybody at Luke Reinert. This is pretty interesting, isn't it? That you've learned how to do this. Really recommend that you buy a quality paddock stand because you don't want any flex, you don't want any give in the paddock stand because our paddock stand's the only thing keeping your BMW R NineT Racer from falling on the floor, damaging the head, damaging the fuel tank, damaging the handbars. You don't want that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to have to spend out on replacing those parts and repairs. Don't do it. So get yourself a quality paddock stand that's not going to flex. It's going to hold the R NineT Racer nice and securely. And Cool, thanks for watching.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
And now Luke Cries is going to drink signature coffee.